this will be the last round of conferences, divisional and constituency conferences, where I am the standard bearer with a chairman or MP. I shared that with my constituency executive back in January. But the other thing I felt good about this evening was Comrade Donovan Mitchell gone. Comrade Mitchell. Stick your head in here, man. Come here, man. Come here.
I might have a problem like Sonny.
I can't quote chapter and verse like the bishop. But when I came here in 2007,
yes,
John Jr., I don't know whether John put me in him hand or put him in my hand, but John Jr. put us together. And it's no secret, the last 3 years, we have not been as close as we always were. But I will say, tonight, I feel like the father who spot the prodigal son coming home. And I am giving instructions. Let us kill the fatted calf and welcome him back. Because I can tell you, Comrade Donovan Mitchell is one of the most formidable and talented politicians I have seen anywhere in Jamaica at any level. I gave him the nickname Bishop before he was ordained. Because when he and I were on the campaign trail and we would go to church, and when Pastor make mistake and give Donovan the pulpit to bring greetings, but you know, it would show up. It would show up even some of those who went to theological seminary. And when he decided to sing, I remember one morning, tears came to the eyes of everybody in the church, the way Donovan sang. So if Donovan has decided that he is coming back fully into the fold, he is not of two minds anymore. And he is a Bible man. You know the Bible says a double-minded man is unstable in all his ways. So we want no more double-mindedness from you. We want full speed ahead. Full speed ahead. And believe me, if Donovan is fully back on the team, there is no one who can stop Central Manchester from returning to the fold of the People's National.